Now in this slide, we are going to look at some examples on how on thermal expansion. Okay, an underground gasoline tank can hold 1.19 times 10 to the power of 3 gallons of gasoline at 52 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, suppose the tank is being filled on a day when the outdoor temperature is 93 degree Fahrenheit. When the underground tank registers that it is full, how many gallons have been transferred from the truck? According to a non-temperature compensated gauge on the truck. Okay. Now, basically here, okay, we have, okay, initially the tank is empty. Okay, the tank is empty at 52 degree Fahrenheit. Now, 52 degree Fahrenheit ni, we can convert, this is the initial temperature, right? So, convert it to Celsius, right? So you don't have to use formula to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Use your calculator, right? Dekat calculator tu ada cara to convert unit, okay? So itu dekat sarung calculator, right? So when I convert 52 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, I get 11.1 degree Celsius. Alright. Now the tank is being filled when the temperature is 93 degree Fahrenheit. Alright. So 93 degree Fahrenheit, will you convert? Okay, again use your calculator to convert. So you have 33.9 degree Celsius. Alright. So from here we can find the change of the temperature, right? Okay, that is equal to T final minus the initial. Alright. So here I get 22.8. Okay, 22.8 degree Celsius. Right. So once we fill, okay, the tank with the gasoline, okay, at 93 degree Fahrenheit, alright, so the gasoline will expand, right? So in this question, actually, we are going to find delta V, okay, delta V of the gasoline, okay. So we have delta V equals to, okay, beta V naught delta T, isn't it? Alright. So the coefficient of volume expansion for the gasoline is given, right? So the coefficient is in terms of per Celsius, isn't it? That's why we have to convert the temperatures in Celsius, right? So 9.6 times 10 to the power of negative 4, right? So the what is the initial volume of the gasoline? Right. So once we okay, since the tank can hold okay this amount of volume, so isi cecair mengambil isi padu bekas, isn't it? Right. So V naught okay of the gasoline would be also equals to 1.19 times 10 to the power of 3 gallon. Alright. Okay, so from this place, the gasoline quickly cools from 93 to 52 upon entering the tank. Alright. Jadi maksudnya once it is inside the tank, dia dah tak expand lagi. Alright. So once the gasoline is entering the tank, alright. So dia dah tak ada expand lagi dalam tank tersebut. Right. Okay. Next, delta T. So delta T is 22.8 degree Celsius. Alright. So we don't have to consider the expansion of the tank itself. Okay, because kita tahu kalau solid pun dia akan expand, isn't it? Due to temperature difference. Okay. In this question kita nak tahu how many gallon have been transferred. Okay, cuma kita nak cari berapa banyak gasoline, alright, has been transferred in this temperature change. Alright. So from here, when you calculate, okay, I get approximately 26 gallon. Alright. Okay. Example 18.2. A segment of steel railroad track has a length of 30 meter when the temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Right. So at T equals to 0 degree Celsius. Alright. So this will be the initial temperature, 0 degree Celsius. Right. Now L naught. Okay. At 0 degree Celsius. Alright. The initial length is 30.000 meter. Okay, so you can see that we have 3 decimal place here, isn't it? Right. Jadi, to find the change in length, okay, when the temperature is increased to 40 degrees Celsius, alright. So we have delta L equals to alpha L naught delta T. Alright, so delta L ni must be in 3 decimal place also, right? So we refer to the numerical values given here up to 3 decimal place, right? Okay. Now, first we need to find the coefficient of thermal expansion untuk steel. Alright. So untuk steel, alpha untuk steel, when you refer to the table, alright, you will get 11 times 10 to the power of negative 6 per Celsius. Right. So we have 11 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Okay, L naught is 30 meter. Then delta T is, okay, delta T adalah, T final is 40. Alright. So delta T equals to 40 minus 0. So we get 40 degree Celsius. Alright. 40. Now delta L here, you get 0.013 meter. Okay, so make it to until 3 decimal place, right? So we are going to find what is its length. So meaning nak cari the new length. Okay, so the new length, kita ada the new length, okay, equals to the change in length plus the original length. Alright, so we have 0.013 plus 30, 000. So the new length at 40 degrees Celsius is 30.013 meter. Right?